Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at this garment rack. I just got it in. I'm very excited and thankful to the brand for sending it to me. I've got a very small walk-in closet and I want to go through it and customize my wardrobe and do a capsule wardrobe, but throwing things on the bed just wasn't working for me. And once I get my closet cleaned out, then what I want to do is be able to store some of the clothes that I don't need that are out of season in garment bags in my attic. So I'm excited to have this garment rack, and I'm going to put it together and then I'll come back and show you how it looks. But it was very easy to put together. There's clips that go on right here. Just follow the instructions. They're marked top and you can hear them click when they click into place. The hanging bar is easy. It has 2 hanging bars, 4 smaller shelves, and then the top and the bottom shelf. There's also 6 casters on the bottom, 2 of which lock in place for safety and security, and a tie to tie it to the wall for stability if you need to. And I really like it, and I think you will too. Thanks for watching.